Hey, what's up YouTube? Bringing you another video of revamping my outside fireplace. It's a gas wood burning fireplace, and it's about 4 years old, and over the last few years it's just kind of gotten rusty and burning the woods, made it all dirty and stuff. So we ended up getting that fire pit, the solo stove. We really enjoy that, burning wood on that, and so we use that, but sometimes we just want a quick fire. So I've decided to revamp this fireplace and do some I'm going to use this high heat ultra paint. It's a semi-gloss. I'm going to clean all this out and scrub it with this brush, and then get a damp cloth and wipe it all down. Then I'm going to paint all the inside, make it all black and pretty again. Even these screens are kind of rusted, so I'm going to paint these screens as well, and just clean everything up. And I got a new burner off of Amazon. It's a 18-inch burner. It's an H burner, so it's got 2 rows. I'll show you here in a second, but it's got 2 rows of holes, and so it widens that flame out and gives you a prettier flame instead of just this bar that I got in here. So I got that H burner. I'm gonna lay some black lava rock over the top of it. And I got some black sparkly rock I'll put on top of that lava rock. And then I got some of those fireballs or fire spheres or whatever you call them. They're ceramic spheres that you can put, it's decoration basically, but I figured it'd look kind of cool. So I'm gonna do all that, and I figured I would make a video and showing you all the steps. It's gonna be a quicker video, so I'm gonna speed through it. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments. But let's get to it. I'll show you here just the condition. You can see that these screens are kind of rusted, and they're hard to move also. So I'm gonna grease that bar to help these screens slide and help it prevent the rust. But then I'm gonna get this wire brush and just scrape. You can see it's kind of coming off, but kind of scrape some of that stuff off just to make sure the paint sticks to it really good. And I'm going to get a damp cloth, and I'll go over and wipe all that and try to get off any loose stuff. And then I got this from Walmart. It's that high heat ultra paint, semi-gloss, and it's good up to 1200 degrees is what they're saying. So I know there is some higher gloss that you can do, or not higher gloss, but higher temperature paint, but and you can roll it on. I'm choosing to paint it, but I'm going to tape all this off and just clean all this up and get this thing looking like new again, and make it look like a art piece versus a rusty old fireplace. So here we go. Okay guys, got it mostly cleaned out here. I'm gonna come back and touch some of this stuff up, but got that wet cloth, and I'm gonna start painting it now. But I'm gonna light this thing and help speed up the drying part real quick. That should cook it up pretty quickly. Now, you can just use this gas pipe. For those of you who don't want to buy a new burner and all that, the burner on Amazon, I'll link it in the description below, but the burner was only like $36 or something like that. But you can just use that burner like that. And me and my dad, we just piled rocks on top of it, and you light it just how I did it right there. You just hold that lighter while it's lit, and then turn the gas on, and that gas will catch on fire and start burning. So, but I'm gonna take this pipe off, and I'm gonna put some paper towels or something, stick it in there so we don't get any paint. And I'm gonna tape all this off, and then we'll start painting. And you want to make sure it's in a well ventilated area. I'm outside, so it's not a big deal, but stop and shake your can every now and then. Just want to get a good base coat on there first. I got 2 cans, but I think maybe 1 can will be enough. Really don't got to worry about down here because this is where your glass and your rock is going to go, but you put a nice coat on there. Nobody will ever see this part. But on this lip, you probably want to get a good solid coat on there. I think 1 can is going to do it. Okay, here we are, day 2. Got the fireplace all painted. Got my burner from Amazon in. You can see it's got, they call it the H burner. Got all the holes down the middle and everything. Comes with this piece. I have that coupler on the end of my gas pipe, so I needed this piece, so I had to buy that and then use their little elbow piece. And that's gonna go on here, and we're gonna point that back that direction. Then we're gonna use this flex hose to bend around, and that's gonna actually, this will go there. Then this flex hose will bend around and plug into there. This is gonna be my base rock, like I showed you earlier. It's just kind of a lava rock. This is my glass. It's black, Onyx black glass. And these are the 3-inch, I always thought these were solid, but they're actually hollow and they're really light and fragile. But those are the 3-inch fireballs. And I got a Bic lighter there just to kind of give an idea of the size of those. But that came with 15 balls in there. I think it's like $50 or something. I'll link it in the description so you can go click on it. But let me get this H pipe hooked up, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, we got the H burner all installed. Got the holes facing up. Got all that set up. And now we're gonna test it and make sure it lights. Cross our fingers. There you go. I think I get a little draft to where it pushes that flame towards the back of the, you can kind of see it's blowing back. And my thing is cracked open, so I may pull that burner just a little bit forward. Okay, so we got a bunch of glass left, but you can kind of see what we're doing. Kind of just sprinkled it lightly all along here and gradually getting bigger and bigger. So now it's time to, we got 15 of these balls. So just to give you an idea, we're gonna have to play with different designs on these balls, the way they look. We'll start unwrapping these and getting these on there and just playing with a few designs. So here we are, guys, with the final product. I've got it all the balls put in there. I did take the balls out and push that rock a little flatter because that flame was not as big as I'd originally wanted. It was a little blue flame, so I ended up taking those balls off and just kind of flattening that rock out so it wasn't as high, so that gas had less resistance getting up to that flame. So just something to think about. But here it is. It puts off an awesome flame, a great look, and really cool. Those ceramic balls, you see a picture at the very end of this video, but they start glowing after they get hot, and puts off a great temperature. We're just very happy with it. We sat out and had a couple drinks the other night with it, and it turned out to be exactly what we were looking for. So if you're interested in revamping your fireplace, I highly recommend this. I'll link all the stuff in the bottom in the description of this video, and you can go check out. And they got many options, cheaper options or more expensive options. A lot of stuff you can do to it. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked it, if you liked this video, like, subscribe, and leave me any comments if you have any questions, and I'm usually pretty good at getting back to those pretty quickly. So stick around here for another I don't know, 30 seconds, and you'll see the pictures of these balls glowing after they've been hot. So thanks for watching.